Hello guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to be showing you how I cut and sew this dress you are watching on the screen right now. This is a very simple corset top. I already posted a video of how I make the 6-piece skirt. If you don't know how to cut a 6-piece skirt, just check one of my videos there. You will see how to cut a 6-piece skirt. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you how to cut this simple corset is in a simple way, in the simplest method that you can use. So I want you to sit back and watch this tutorial in details. I'm going to be showing you how to cut it in a very simple way, simplest method. So this is our fabric now. This is my fabric. So the first thing I did was that I'm going to measure one from here. I'm going to measure one from here. After you cut your fabric, fold it into two and measure 1 inches from this edge. So this is what I have. Now I remove 7 from here. This 7 that I remove is for the yoke, because it's going to have yoke at the upper part. I'm going to be putting yoke. It's a corset with yoke top. So I already removed my 7 inches for the yoke that I'm going to be putting at the upper part. That is for the neckline. After doing that, place your bra cup as shown. Can you see the way I place it? After placing it, shock it out as shown. Just mark it. You can mark it with anything you are using. Is it your marker, your pen, or your check? So just mark it out. This is it that I just mark out here. So this is it. After marking it out, take your measurements and mark half an inch from here. Can you see where I'm marking it? Mark half of an inch from here. Yes. Mark your half of an inch from this side. Yes. Can you see that? Now, the next thing you're going to do now is to take your nipple to nipple measurement, which is your breast pan. So now this person nipple to nipple is 7. I added half of an inch to our breast, to our nipple to nipple. So that's why I'm marking out 8. That's why I'm marking out my 8 inches. And breast pan is 7 plus half an inch. That's why I have this. I hope you are getting it. Okay. So after doing it like this, after you are done with this, I don't know why the shop is not showing very well. That's why I'm trying to do it as many times as possible, so that you guys will be able to see what I'm doing. Just trying to arrange the fabric very well. So the next thing you are going to do now, this one that I want to shock, I just want to use it to explain something to you. So this place now, I'm going to mark, no, not 1 inches. I'm going to mark 1/2 inch and quarter here now. 1/2 inch and quarter. I'll mark it at this side. I'll come to this edge as well. I'll mark 1/2 inch and quarter. This 1/2 inch and quarter that I mark out, I'm not cutting it. I'm just using it I just want to use it to explain something to you. I don't need it now. So it's this 1/2 inch and quarter that I'm going to use to join the fabric. I'm not going to be joining it with just 1/4 of an inch or 1/2 of an inch. I'm going to be joining it with 1/2 inch and quarter. Then I'm going to take the person bust measurements plus sewing allowance plus that 2-inch sewing allowance. I'm going to measure the waistline as well. Then I'm going to cut it out. The next thing we are going to do now is to cut it out. So let's cut it out now. Let's cut it out. Just stay back and watch, because I want to show you guys something, but I'm not there yet. That's why I have to do it one after the other. You understand? So that's why I'm like, just stay back and watch what I want to show you in this tutorial. No, I said I use 7. I removed 7 for the yoke. Then the full length of the top is 23. I'm going to be using 23. So I'm going to cut it out. I want to use that fabric before. That's why I haven't cut it at the down part earlier. So I'm going to cut it out now. So I already cut it out, and this is what I have after cutting it. This is what I have. This is the middle part. This is what I have after cutting it. This is the bra cup. I just put it like this just to show you what I have right here right now. So the next thing we are going to cut now is what we are going to use to cover our bra cup. How are you going to do it? Since we are not using pattern paper, how do you want to do it? You don't want to use pattern paper, so this video is for you. Just place the material you want to use. Is it any material? Is it lace you want to use? Just place it like this. This is your bra cup. This is an original cup. Just fold your cup like this as shown. Can you see that? Place it as shown, and add half of an inch on all the side of the bra. Add your half of an inch that you're going to use to fold it, and fold exactly what is there, exactly the shape that it gives you as it is now. Cut it out. Cut it out. So you are going to cut 4 pieces of this, as in one, because I already fold the fabric into 2, so that makes this one 2 piece. So this one is 2 piece now. So I'm going to cut another 2 piece again. Then I'm good to go. And do you know what? The bra cup, the corset that I made 3 this thing. So this is it. So I have my 4 already. The next thing I'm going to do now is to cut out my stay for all the fabric that I cut earlier. This is my stay. I'm just using this one. This is the very cheapest one. I'm not using the original one right here now. This is the cheapest stay. So this is it after sewing it, but so this is it after I sew it, but this tutorial is only for the cutting. So I'm going to be posting the sewing tutorial very soon, so stay back and watch. And thanks for joining this channel, and please don't forget to subscribe. If today is the first time of joining this channel, click on the subscription button and click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I posted any other video. Thanks for joining this family.